Explain steps to conduct root cause analysis. The following are the basic steps that you can follow to conduct root cause analysis. Let us look at each in detail. Number 1. Specify the problem situation. The first step towards conducting any root cause analysis study is to properly and specifically define the problem. You should use the SMART rules to define your problem. So, ensure that you define the problem in specific, measurable, action-oriented, realistic, and time-constrained manner. Defining the problem using the SMART rules will ensure that you have first of all identified the problem correctly and have looked at it from all possible angles. This also makes sure that the defined problem is clear and accurate, and you can then conduct a root cause analysis process without having to later realize that you began at the wrong place. Defining the problem will also pave the path as to how the root cause analysis will proceed from this first step forward. Number 2. Understand the problem situation. Defining the problem was the first step. In this second step, you will make sure that what you have understood about the problem is accurate or not, based on hard facts or data. This step ensures that your personal bias or perceptions do not misinterpret the problem wrongly. So in this step, you will check each aspect of the problem rationally and diligently. To do this, you will need to find real data about the problem, check the information you have about the problem, and obtain a clear understanding of the real issues faced in the problem situation. You can use brainstorming very effectively in this step to check each piece of information related to the problem. Number 3. Take prompt action steps. By now, you have specifically and clearly defined the problem and have also understood it completely and accurately. The next step is to take immediate action steps to resolve the problem at least in the present day. You can do this by taking temporary countermeasures to resolve the problem temporarily and start getting the work done. Remember that this step just offers the temporary quick fix to the problem for the time being, and permanent steps will need to be taken to completely eliminate the problem from recurring. Number 4. Take preventative action steps. You have taken temporary action steps to overcome the problem through quick fixes. The next step is to not find the corrective action that needs to be taken to completely eliminate the problem and stop it from recurring. For this, you need to dig deep and find the most probable underlying root cause of the problem. Then, after you have identified the primary root causes that have caused the problem, you need to decide on preventative or corrective steps or measures that you can take to eliminate these root causes. Taking corrective actions will definitely help you to prevent the problem from recurring in the future. Number 5. Establish the solution. The last step of conducting a root cause analysis is to clearly establish and confirm the solution to a particular problem. You have taken certain corrective or preventative measures that helped eliminate the root cause causing a particular problem. After achieving success through such steps, it is crucial that you identify and establish the success of the adopted approach. You will then need to identify the rules or change in standard procedures or processes that need to be implemented so that a particular problem as well as similar problems can be prevented from happening. You should always keep in mind that this is one of the most crucial steps of root cause analysis that most people tend to ignore or miss.